Unlock the power of green tea and lemon. Ever wondered why green tea with lemon is hailed as a super drink? This dynamic duo combines the health benefits of both ingredients, creating a powerful beverage that can enhance your well-being in numerous ways. First, let's explore the amazing health benefits of this combination. Green tea and lemon work together to provide a range of positive effects on your body, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall health and longevity. Lemon's vitamin C strengthens your immune system. By boosting your body's natural defenses, it helps you stay healthier and fight off infections more effectively, ensuring that you feel your best every day. Their powerful antioxidants fight free radicals, slowing down the aging process. Regular consumption of green tea with lemon can reduce wrinkles and improve skin elasticity, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Lemon helps prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in urine, which prevents stone formation. Combined with green tea's hydration benefits, this drink is a natural remedy to maintain kidney health and prevent painful stones. Green tea with lemon can help relieve stress thanks to its calming properties. The natural compounds in green tea promote relaxation, while the refreshing taste of lemon uplifts your mood, providing a soothing effect on your mind. This powerful duo can boost your metabolism, aiding in better digestion and energy use. Green tea's catechins, combined with lemon's vitamin C, enhance metabolic function, helping you maintain a healthy weight and feel more energized. Making green tea with lemon is incredibly simple. Just steep a green tea bag in hot water, squeeze in fresh lemon juice, and stir. Enjoy it hot or let it cool for a refreshing iced version. Whether you prefer a warm, soothing drink on a chilly day or a crisp, cold beverage in the summer, this versatile combination fits any season. Its adaptability makes it a year-round favorite for many. Not only is this drink easy to prepare, but it's also cost-effective. Green tea and lemons are affordable, making this a budget-friendly way to reap numerous health benefits without breaking the bank. People from all walks of life have experienced the positive effects of green tea with lemon. From improved digestion to better skin, countless testimonials highlight the transformative power of this simple drink. Ready to experience the benefits for yourself? Start adding green tea with lemon to your daily routine and notice the difference. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our newsletter and stay informed. Subscribe. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.